When we set this thing up in Lightwave to simulate, we're now going to get a speed boost of about 70 times 15, about 1,000 times. And you can forget about slow deforming bones. You can play the thing back as fast as your 3D car will let you. In this example, we used character animation to create a footprint. In the process, we learned how to set up and control collisions, how to save motion data, and how to substitute low and high resolution geometry for tremendous time savings. I hope you enjoyed this section and find the next one interesting as well. A character interacting with a sheet. And we would let ClothFX model it for us. That technique can lead to really nice results with huge amounts of geometry and happen really fast thing. Back to properties. Let's bring this down so we can see what's going on and hit calculate. Now this is real time. I'm not pre-calculating. This is pretty fast. A lot of cloth dynamics simulations can take days. Okay, it's finished. It took longer to generate the preview than it did to simulate the cloth. Okay, here we go. In this example, we had a sheet interacting with a character. In the process, we learned more about collisions and how to create believable cloth that quickly interacts with an animated character. Hope you enjoy this example. Next two sections, we're going to give our character some simple clothing. Okay? Remember, this detailed geometry could be anything. It could be pockets, collars, buttons, etc. It doesn't matter what we model because we're not going to use it in the actual simulation. And hit calculate. Again, we're relaxing this, so we'll see how we did. And it's doing something, isn't it? Okay, it's generated. Again, this took about 3 or 4 times longer to generate the preview than it did to simulate the thing. This looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like he is wearing a dress, but it looks neat. There's a lot of geometry there that looks pretty darn realistic for considering how quick we did this. In this section, we learned the basics of clothing simulation in Lightwave 8. We simplified our character and its garment to get our simulation running really fast. Then we substituted our high resolution geometry back in when we were done. This is the way you'd normally want to attack doing clothing simulation in Lightwave 8.